beautiful angels. This is Miss Trixie from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your November work and love forecast for Cancers. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, this reading is for you. If you know a Cancer, you can cross watch this reading for them, friends. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. Subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Today's decor is about Halloween. Happy Halloween, friends. Make sure to subscribe, and I keep posting every day, and I post a lot, a lot many readings. I have already done the November pick a card readings. Love pick a card readings for November. Make sure to check them out. So let's see. And if you know Cancer, you can cross watch. Ooh, you can cross watch it for them. Your cards are already jumping. I will not take them because I wanted to shuffle the cards. This is a general reading. It may resonate, friends, or it may not. So let's see. For Cancers, the theme of the month. Whoa, Nine of Swords. Cancers, what's happening? Wow, stars, wishes coming true. Ooh, transformations. Get ready, Cancers. It is a powerful month for you. Page of Cups. This is your own energy. Wow, friends, big changes are coming for you. I do feel you are a little anxious or even worried about health issues right now. I feel this has been a challenging year for you, but don't worry. You are going to break through it, break through from it. Things are going to work out for you. So this month, Cancers, this is like things are changing for you. Something has ended or will be ending in the month of November, and you will be feeling a relief. You will be feeling like relief from your health issues, relief from your worries. So this is a great month of endings and new start for you, Cancer. So congratulations. This is also November is your month for wishes coming true. Your wishes are coming true, whether it is in love or in whether it is in love or work or money, something is going to shift for you positively. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yes, someone could be a water sign, might be important for you. I also feel that creativity will be very high. You will feel very connected to your emotions. Healing of your health is happening. Relief is coming. Positive starts are coming. So big changes, but important month. Positive changes are happening for you, Cancers. Let's see your love life. Let's see your love life. Cancers, what's happening in your love life for November? Wow, the Queen of Wands, the Five of Pentacles. Ooh, that's interesting. Cancers. Six of Cups. Ooh, nice, interesting. The Tower. The Page of Swords. The Strength. The Six of Wands. Clarify the Page of Swords. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune. And, oh my god, I dropped a card. Let's see. The Nine of Cups. Wow, friends. So definitely this is a month of big changes for you, Cancers. No wonder you have such profound cards here in the theme of the month. You were right now feeling like, no one is valuing you. No one is putting their, you feel a little rejected, a little lost, a little unhappy. So don't feel that way. I do feel you start November feeling a little like someone is not treating you right. Even if you are single, you may be feeling like you are left out, you're missing, you are alone. So don't feel that. I also feel you could be dealing with a twin flame in the month of November, or someone from the past. There is this Aries, Leo, Sag person, someone who is very bold, who is very attractive, and this person is a little dominating, I feel, Cancer, especially compared to your energy. The sexual chemistry between you and them is amazing, but emotionally I feel this person, I feel at the start of November, they are like, they are acting a little pricey. They are acting like, I myself is important. I also feel they are watching you from far. They are watching you, keeping an eye on you, your lover, your ex lover, your twin flame. your someone you are in relationship, your if your husband or wife, they are keeping an eye on you. I do feel in the first week of November there might be less communications or no communications for some of you, but good news is the second week of November, things will be opening and soulmate relationships are happening for you. Success is coming for you. And this love is about to rise. This love is about to grow and deepen for you. And yes, positive shifts are going to happen. I do feel this person may come out of the blue and make a move towards you, or you may bump into each other, your lover and you, and things will become like hot, steamy, passionate. There is love, there is passion, you know what I mean? So, yeah, get ready. I do feel, friends, this is a love and hate kind of a relationship. I love you till you hate me, and I hate you till I love you. So it is like that. It is like something positive is going to shift for you, yes. And the third week of November again brings things back on the stage, back on normal, back on track. Things, communications will open, the sexual chemistry, the passions, the romance is again high, again high. But I do feel, friends, there might be someone else interfering your connection, probably ego or some third party like friends, family, or someone's mother, family. Some influence is coming. Someone is trying to interfere in your love life, but I do feel you will be able to overcome it. Yes, you have the wheel of fortune, positive changes. Also, I see things will be getting even better in your love life. Yes, the romance, the love will deepen between you and the person, and they will be making a move towards you. Talks of settling down, talks of moving together will happen. uh, I also feel if your person was having health issues or they were stuck in a third party, I do feel some relief coming from there and they will be with you. I also feel you will be having some celebrations at the end of November or in the last week. Some celebrations, some birthdays are coming. Maybe your person's birthday is in November. So happy birthday. Some celebrations, some date nights, some romantic gateways are coming. I also see that you will be taking or spending more time with your lover, your soulmate, your twin flame, your husband, or your wife, or in general, you'll be having a fun time at the end of November. So, congratulations. Let's see your advice, Cancer. Advice for Cancers. Let's see that. Oops. Ooh, this wants to come out. See, 7, awaiting results, 7 of wands. Yes, things are about to get better. Things are about to get steamy hot. In fact, I see that, things are going to get juicy for you in your love life. Things you have been waiting for, your wishes coming true, your prayers being answered. I feel someone new could be offering you love, or if you are waiting for a lover, yes, they are going to offer you love. Heart chakra number 4. Yes, listen to your heart. A healing of the heart is happening for you. Yes, friends. And things are healing, your health, your relationships, all those things. And look at that, 4 of wands, marriage, commitment, settling down, joy and stability. So yes, success and marriage is a big thing. Marriage, commitment, love, all will be yours, and finding the joy and happiness. So congratulations, Cancer. Let's see your work and career. Ooh, Ace of Cups, Cancers, their work and career, the Hierophant, the High Priestess, the Two of Swords, the Fool. Ooh, the Ten of Swords. I do see that you are ending a job, or you are desperately wanting to get out of a situation. Like if you don't have a job, you want to change it, you want a job. If you are having a stressful job, you want to shift it, you want peace in life, you know your something is affecting your health. especially your career. I feel if you are jobless, it is affecting you. If you are in a stressful job, it is affecting you. You can expect relief, friends. You can expect relief here. I also feel a new start is going to happen in your work and career, but for that you will have to take some risk, like apply to places you have never applied, or apply to careers you have never done. Also look for job in some another city or country. So yeah, go for it, friends. Some risk is there, but yeah, I do feel you will be in double minds whether to shift a job or not, or whether to change a career or not, whether to go and travel or not. But yeah, if you use your intuition, you will be safe. If you are a student, listen to your intuition. It is guiding you, it is telling you where to go, which way to do, what to do. Even in work, listen to your intuition, friends. I do feel some of you will be teaching or starting to teach. Maybe some of you will start acting on your creative ideas, and yes, you will be successful. I see that. If you start a dancing career, an acting career, a creative art career, music career, yes, you will be earning, you will be successful, your creativity will be very high. You are looking for an emotionally happy or satisfying career, and it is coming your way, friends. I do feel something will happen in your career or education which has happened after a lot of struggles. So you will cry happy tears, happy tears. And look, the even the this pumpkin also moved. So like happiness is coming. It's a confirmation. I also feel you could be awarded something like getting a certification, or entering college, going back to school, going back to studies, or you could be yourself starting some degrees or something. So yeah, you'll be lucky. But listen to your intuition. Don't make some rash decisions there. I also feel that, let's see, your advice. Open up. See, look at that. Yeah, I feel it is time for you to keep your eyes and your mind open up. I feel some of you are a little hesitant in talking, so it's time for you to set some new dreams and take some risk. Moon, yes, your star, the moon, your creativity will be super super high, dreams coming true. Yes, stay open to miracles. Anything can happen, any positive thing can happen. Stay open, your dreams are coming true. And look at that, success. Yes, success will be yours, so don't give up, friends. I know you have been through a lot. I feel your health will improve, friends. Some of you are having a lot of health challenges. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with you. Let's see for cancers what's happening. Okay. Ooh. Valley, deep personal strength and peace that overcomes, that reaches success. So success is coming your way. Seahorse, family. Family is very important to you. If there is no understanding or lack of harmony in the family, or you are worried about family, especially if you are a parent, you are worried about your children, success will be there. Happiness is there. All is safe. Wrath, sorrow over a loss. Yeah, you are upset about an ending that has happened. Maybe a relationship, marriage, maybe a job has ended, or you want to change things like this. You want to break free. I want to break free. I keep hearing that song. I want to break free. Spiritual development, enlightenment, and yeah, torch. Listen to your intuition. Your intuition is very high this month. Listen, nest, and emotionally secure, loving family is important. I do see some of you could be getting oh, look at that. Marriage, and look at that. That's the next card. Some of you could be getting married, or you would be thinking about marriage, commitment, and all those things. Marriage will take place either romantic or in business. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, and a fresh start is coming for you. Lightning, control your anger or you'll be sorry. Don't make any, don't listen, don't be led by your anger. Dealings or relationships with an elder man. Yeah, you could be having issues with a boss or a senior or father or mother or in-laws. Wind chimes, peace and harmony, but all will be peaceful. Don't worry. July is important. You could be born in July, Cancers. It could be also that something from July will be resolved. Lion, it's time to act. Yeah, take some risk. It will go well for you. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Enjoy the decor today. Like the video. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.